Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming both numbers are active and can receive SMS or calls. This matters because verification is mandatory. Once done, open Truecaller and sign in with your primary number to establish your main profile, then navigate to Settings to locate the dual number or alternate number option. Make sure to keep both SIMs or devices handy during verification. This reduces delays and avoids lockouts when Truecaller sends codes to each number. Next, you verify and link the second number so Truecaller recognizes both identities. This improves caller ID accuracy and helps manage calls. Navigate to Account Settings and choose Add or Verify Alternate Number, then request the SMS or call verification to that second number. When the code arrives, enter it immediately or grant Truecaller permission to auto-detect the code. If prompted, confirm which number should display as caller ID when you place outgoing calls using Truecaller features. Finally, you configure how each number appears and test the setup to ensure smooth operation. In Settings, choose whether the primary number displays by default, whether Truecaller shows both numbers, or if you want a toggle per call. Then place test calls from each number to confirm correct identification. If verification or display fails, retry the verification step, switch networks or airplane mode briefly, or choose call-based verification. This often resolves SMS delivery or detection problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.